Health benefits of carrots. One of the simplest vegetables to prepare is carrots. As beautiful as they are, to convince your kids or your family to eat at dinner time. This veggie has a nice crunch when raw and a tender, creamy bite when cooked. The carrot or Daucus carota is a root vegetable, often claimed to be the perfect healthy food. Carrots can be eaten in a variety of ways. Only 3% of the superscript 2 carotene in raw carrots is released during digestion. This can be improved to 39% by pulping, cooking and adding cooking oil. Alternatively, they may be chopped and boiled, fried or steamed, and cooked in soups and stews, as well as baby and pet foods. In every 100 grams of carrots, there are 40 calories in the following nutrients: 9.5 grams of carbohydrates, 2.83 grams of fiber, 4.8 grams of sugar, 0.9 grams of protein, 320 milligrams of potassium, 70 milligrams sodium, 30 milligrams of calcium, 35 milligrams of phosphorus, 20 micrograms of folate, 835 micrograms of vitamin A, 13 micrograms of vitamin K. In addition, carrots also contain many phytochemical compounds that are beneficial for the body, such as beta-carotene, anthocyanins, polyphenols, lutein, lycopene, and zeaxanthin. Carrots also contain choline, vitamin B complex, vitamin C, and vitamin E. Various benefits of carrots for health including: 1. Maintain your visions are healthy. Carrots are good for maintaining healthy eyes because they contain lots of vitamin A, lutein, and zeaxanthin. In addition, carrots are also rich in antioxidants, which are good for eye health. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, a compound that the body converts into vitamin A, which supports the health of your cornea, the outermost layer of your eyes. In fact, a half-cup serving of carrots contains 51% of your recommended daily intake of vitamin A. 2. Carrots have the potential to lower cancer risk. Regular consumption of carrots can also reduce the risk of cancer, such as prostate cancer, colon cancer, and breast cancer. This is because carrots are one of the best sources of antioxidants for health, such as carotene, phenolic acids, vitamin A, vitamin C, and anthocyanins. The content is able to fight the effects of excess free radicals in the body, so that it can inhibit and prevent the formation of cancer cells. 3. Keeping blood sugar levels in a healthy range. Carrots are one of the vegetables that are good for consumption to maintain stable blood sugar levels, both in diabetics and healthy people. With controlled blood sugar, diabetic patients will have a lower risk of developing complications, such as kidney problems and nerve damage. In addition, in healthy people, carrots are useful for preventing insulin resistance and soaring blood sugar levels that are too high, so they can prevent diabetes. This is because carrots are high in fiber and antioxidants, but have a low glycemic index value. 4. Reduce your chances of getting heart disease. Potassium in carrots is good for maintaining normal blood pressure, while fiber and antioxidants are good for controlling bad cholesterol, LDL, levels that can clog heart's blood vessels. The benefits of carrots in reducing the risk of heart disease can be obtained thanks to the content of potassium, antioxidants, and fiber in this vegetable. Polyphenols are thought to be able to prevent or inhibit coronary heart disease by improving blood vessel function and slowing blood clotting. 5. Improve your digestion and stay healthy. The fiber and water in carrots can facilitate the digestive process and make stools denser and softer, making it good for preventing and treating constipation. Not only that, carrots also have a good prebiotic effect to maintain the balance of the number of good bacteria in the intestines. 6. Carrots can help in losing weight. This is because carrots contain few calories but are dense in nutrients such as protein, fiber, water, vitamins, and minerals. The fiber content in carrots can also make you feel full longer. 7. Carrots can boost your immune system. The content of vitamin A in carrots can help our body respond to intruders and regenerate new cells to stay strong. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share.